My name is Jo Uni, Jo. My age is 30, international age. And my profession is what is profession?
Your job.
My job is now Thai Restaurant manager. So the whole manager.
So would you mind telling me when did you start working as a manager?
Here or
in
home
Seoul?
here is like last year, August-ish.
Yeah, that's cool. What's the process, I guess? Like how did you become a manager in Seoul?
Actually, it's like I've been knowing this is like the boss here because I've been knowing him like 7 years and we've been working together and then he knows my work. Like I started work here as I guess just work member and then like 3 months later he offered me to just be a captain or like thing and then actually I was like but yeah slowly I became to like manager because people was treating me like their co-workers. I think like even like the major is different like Italian restaurant like Nike manager. I think it's like all the managers are the same. Like how much you get passionate about it, like the like for example the things that you don't want to do, the things that you want to do. Like if you like the place, if you like the people, then you're like you just like make yourself get set into it, like self into it. So actually every time it's like I work as manager, it's like I'm challenging myself to get better, not like make this place better, just like make me better, like starting to you know what I mean. So if I get better, then you know the restaurant's gonna be better. So it's always on me. So I would say it's like everywhere is like the same. It's good answer, like to all my bosses.
It's very diplomatic.
Yeah. My persona, like my personality, always like want me to be a leader. So it's like I always like you know just energetic. It's like me actually. My ass is like people makes me the manager. It's like it's like I'm just like I can't like just watch like people's like struggling. You know, just, my personality is I always have to like help them. Like you know, it's like learn fast, learn quick. You know, it's like. So I think I'm gonna be like a leader forever. It's like, and actually this job is actually not my dream. I'm just like as I said, like I just make money right now. This is job for making money, but my job is like I have like real jobs. Like so I'm making money for my real jobs. Like one day that I have dreams. So.
Ssong Thai is an authentic Thai restaurant here in Seoul. It's located in Yongsan-gu, Itaewon, Il-dong, Bogwang-ro. It's one of the few restaurants in Seoul that offer a vegan menu. But obviously, the main focus is not to force anyone to get into a vegan diet, but to create a space where both vegan and non-vegan customers can enjoy and have a meal together.
Actually, it's like this era. It's like as you see, not like Itaewon. It's not like Gyeongnidan. So people come to find this restaurant to eat. It's like for taste, you know. So actually, our restaurant is just, like pretty much like popular. It's like many like famous people like celebrities is like coming. And like actresses coming. It's like. What about like the Im Soo-jung? She is like our like the regular customer. She comes by like every like 3 times in a month, and also she's vegan too. So like COVID-19 like it's like it started like almost like 5 months ago. Actually, it wasn't the effect is like a restaurant, but the Itaewon happened. You know the club thing. And actually, like one of my coworkers is like he's gay too. So everyone's is like starting to calling our restaurant. That happened like actually hit our restaurant like 1 month straight. Like we didn't have the customers still yet. Actually, the weekend or like weekdays, like lunchtime, like night times, like we were like always full table. But now, as you see, it's like it's hard. Like everyone's hard, but like we were thinking that like this is kind of like this is a hard time for everyone. It's like we are like cleaning like the fuck up everywhere. Like we're, but still like we were just like waiting. But we are just like thinking opposite way. So I think that is just a motivation, So it's like restaurants is shutting down. Even my friends, it's like a fire, like and even if things is like slow, it's like people don't have like the amount of money to spend, That's the thing. So it's gonna be like over and over. So,
Well,
COVID things is happening about like Itaewon. Even the delivery thing was just like slowing down. Because people's not ordering, But now like the coupon is just a kind of like new one as if people's order. Actually, shuttles is like their order, like as you know, it's like many foreigners ordering.
Right.
It's like, but coupon each is like it's like this is like the new thing we get in, like the delivery service. It's like actually Korean people's using 배달의 민족 more than coupon each, but coupon each system is really good. They deliver really fast.
okay.
The 15 minutes is like so. It's like coupon each is like really helping us out. So orders a coupon each, and actually there's like we have a regular customer who's been like always coming. So. Even the COVID things happen, that helps us, So I've been working here like just only 1 year, but this restaurant is running like 4 years right now. Since so the regular customers is like been coming, and actually I call my friends to come and just like they are like all influencers. It's like so unloading your selfies and promotion of restaurant.
Because you mentioned you have dreams of yours,
I don't know. Actually,
That's fair.
I'm not like thinking about the like future. Like I have a big plan, like a oud, but ouds. Well, I don't watch like in the like trees. I don't, but you know what I mean. So I have like big goals, but I don't actually think about like next day or like year later. I just let it flow. If I'm gonna work here, then I'm gonna work here. Or not.
That's fair. That was the end of the video. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys enjoy it. A huge thanks to Uni who helped me for the video. If you guys ever in Taiwan or just want to try a good Thai food, go to Ssong Thai and show them some love. So I guess that's the end of it, and I'll see you guys sometime next semester. Bye!